How to unblock websites on a school Chromebook. The first things first is to pull up your school Chromebook web browser. Now, this is going to be the list of website blockers that you can use for your school Chromebook. Now, let's go ahead and try on the first link right here, which is going to be surfdoggy.pro. Just copy it and then paste it here in your school Chromebook. Now, this website actually supports a website blocker. Now, if a certain URL that you're trying to visit does not work, this specific website offers like built-in apps specifically through this using the site. You can go ahead with Google, Games, Discord, Twitter, Reddit, and many more. You can also hover around games so you can play Roblox and many more. Now, if this website is not working for you, then you can try on another link right here, which is going to be historyfacts.7s.com.tr. It actually works the same. Now, one thing to keep in mind is these or all of these website blockers for Chromebook, uh, these has like ads in it. So you really have to be patient before using this certain website blockers because there will be pop-up ads that will come out. Like for example, that one. Now again, if this website is not working, just go ahead and try on the other one, the education.ca.ospa.fi. Search it here on your school Chromebook. And again, all these website blockers work the same thing. It's going to be depending on your end if whatever websites or links that's going to be working on your end. So that's basically it. That's how you unblock websites in School Chromebook.